everyone. Today we will learn how to blend the sounds of consonants and vowels. So let us start. We have learned that there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O and U. The sound of A is A. The sound of E is E. The sound of I is E. The sound of O is O. The sound of U is A. Now, let's start blending the sounds. Our first letter is B. When we join B with the vowels, we get B, A, ba, B, A, be, B, E, B, B, O, bo, B, A, b. Our next letter is C. When we join C with the vowels, we get K, A, ka, K, E, ke, K, E, ki, K, O, ko, K, A, k. Our next letter is D. When we join D with the vowels, we get D, A, da, D, E, de, D, E, D, D, O, do, D, A, d. Our next letter is F. When we join F with the vowels, we get F, A, fa, F, E, fe, F, E, fi, F, O, fo, F, A, f. Our next letter is G. When we join G with the vowels, we get G, A, ga, G, E, ge, G, E, gi, G, O, go, G, A, g. Our next letter is H. When we join H with the vowels, we get H, A, ha, H, E, he, H, E, he, H, O, ho, H, A, h. Our next letter is J. When we join J with the vowels, we get J, A, ja, J, E, je, J, E, G, J, O, jo, J, A, j. Our next letter is K. When we join K with the vowels, we get K, A, ka, K, E, ke, K, E, ki, K, O, ko, K, A, k. Our next letter is L. When we join L with the vowels, we get L, A, la, L, E, le, L, E, li, L, O, lo, L, A, l. Our next letter is M. When we join M with the vowels, we get M, A, ma, M, E, me, M, E, me, M, O, mo, M, A, m. Our next letter is N. When we join N with the vowels, we get N, A, na, N, E, ne, N, E, ni, N, O, no, N, A, n. Our next letter is P. When we join P with the vowels, we get P, A, pa, P, E, pe, P, E, pi, P, O, po, P, A, p. Our next letter is Q. When we join Q with the vowels, we get Qua, A, qua, Qua, E, que, Qua, E, qui, Qua, O, quo, Qua, A, qua. Our next letter is R. When we join R with the vowels, we get R, A, ra, R, E, re, R, E, re, R, O, ro, R, A, r. Our next letter is S. When we join S with the vowels, we get sa, 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 se, sa, si, sa, so, sa, sa. Our next letter is T. When we join T with the vowels, we get ta, 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 te, ta, ti, ta, to, ta, ta. Our next letter is V. When we join V with the vowels, we get va, va, ve, vi, vo, v. Our next letter is W. When we join W with the vowels, we get va, ve, vi, vo, v. Our next letter is X. When we join X with the vowels, we get ax, x, ix, ox, ux. Our next letter is Y. When we join Y with the vowels, we get ya, ya, ye, ye, yo, ya. Our last letter is Z. When we join Z with the vowels, we get za, za, ze, zi, zo, z. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such learning videos.